So you want to spend less money managing your website. Let me guess, you're on some other CMS other than Webflow, and every time you need a little change, you have to contact your web developer, your web designer, whoever, to make this update. And you have to pay every single time you want a little tiny thing changed. That is the old style. We don't do that anymore. It's 2020. We are on Webflow, and one of the core reasons we're on Webflow is so that we can give you the keys after we sell you the car. We're going to build your site, we're going to onboard you, we're going to show you how to make these updates and edits all on your own. So if you need to make a text update, add a new team member, add a new blog post, change a link, you're going to be able to do that yourself in minutes. So guess what? You don't have to pay that hourly amount. You don't have to pay for all these security things and these ridiculous hosting costs. We are going to set you up with Webflow. Everything's going to be managed for you, and it's going to be effing sweet. I'm Webflow Joe. Send us a message at FinSweet. I'll pitch the hell out of you.